Today we are checking out the Train Lodge Hostel, located right outside Amsterdam Sloterdijk Station. This unique accommodation is housed in a retro night train, which used to run the Zurich to Rome route. Stay to the end to find out how much we paid.
These are all the individual rooms, and we're about to enter ours.
No, I think we missed it. It's back this way, where the numbers go.
Which one is it? Which room?
We're in 22.
22 is 20, 21, 22. Oh, they got your name here too. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I like it.
Oh, that's cool.
Converted sleeper car.
Old school sleeper car. I love it.
There's 3 beds.
Yep. And the track's right there.
Yeah.
So if you're a train spotter, you're gonna love this hostel. So for the wash situation, we've got a sink under here, and a little magnet keeps it in place. Hot and cold running water, and they said that it's also drinking water, so it's safe to drink. It's potable. Whoop.
You know how well? Yeah.
That's a space. Laminate, but it's wood looking. You know, it looks like an old school sleeper train. If you ever got a train going by,
You wouldn't know this is here.
yep. Oh, that really blocks the light. It looks like you have a strap too. Keep yourself in bed from when the train actually moved. The train doesn't move now. It's stationed here permanently.
You have places for your luggage.
Lots of luggage space. So a sprinkler system and all the mod cons for safety. You got really nice mattress. It feels good. It's actually 2 mattresses, so it's a topper. It's a topper. That's great. That's nice. Nice and firm. And then you get your duvet. Nice soft pillow. I have no idea what that is. Someone tell me. Maybe you're supposed to put your hat or coat on it. Comment below if you know. And you got lights. Let there be light. Now, I will say though, looking at Mark here, that if you're 6 feet tall or taller, you might have to sleep on a slight diagonal to get the room that you need. There's Sloterdijk Station all the way to the left. So super close, super convenient.
Another discovery here, we also have beverage holders.
Yay!
A little snack. A little snack holder up there.
Very nice.
Yeah.
You look like you're gonna go to sleep already. Should I leave you
How
alone?
about to nap?
This room sleeps 3, so you're gonna want to bring chargers of your own, power banks. Dude, I'm like tripping on this carpet.
Just call me dude.
I did call you dude. Dude, do you? We loved the restaurant next door, the Breakfast Club. Best Bloody Marys ever. Get up, you old fart. We had dinner at a garlic-themed restaurant, the Garlic Queen, complete with garlic bread and finished with garlic ice cream. Watch for that video on our channel.
I'll contact the porter to retrieve our bags.
Oh yes, yes, darling, huh?
Talk to the maitre d' about breakfast in the morning.
Hello. Got my little light, got my little table and everything. I'm ready. You gonna go to bed soon?
Pretty soon.
Yeah, that's kind of creepy.
It's the king's perch.
Your feet are at biting length, at biting height.
It's also kicking length. See?
Did you ever see that movie Throw Mama from a Train? So, how much did we pay for a 3-bed private compartment on a Sunday night? Check out our channel for more unique destinations in Amsterdam, and thanks for watching.